To cancel your TradingView free trial, start by logging into your TradingView account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the screen. Then select Account from the drop-down menu. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can view and manage your account information. Scroll down to the subscription section, where you will see the details of your current subscription, including the type of subscription and the date it will expire. Look for the Cancel Subscription button, which is usually located below the subscription details. Click on this button to initiate the cancellation process. You may be prompted to confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. So click Yes or Confirm to proceed. You will then be taken to a page where you can provide feedback on why you are canceling your subscription. This is optional, but it can help TradingView improve their services. If you do not want to provide feedback, simply click on the Skip button to continue. Once you have completed these steps, your TradingView free trial will be canceled, and you will not be charged when the trial period ends. You can continue to use the basic features of TradingView for free, but you will not have access to the premium features that were available during your free trial. It is essential to note that canceling your free trial will not delete your TradingView account. You can still log in and use the platform, but with limited features. If you want to delete your account entirely, you need to contact TradingView support and request that they delete your account. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your TradingView free trial and avoid being charged when the trial period ends. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of any subscription service before signing up, and be aware of the cancellation policies to avoid any unexpected charges.